The company is a company that was born a woman. Her name is Catalina, and she has a son. His name is Angel. So she put the two names together and the name Catangel, mother and son. And she made the carrioles, the bags. She made the shoes.
Tell us what is a carriole?
Okay, the carriole is the typical bag from Antioquia. Antioquia is a part of Colombia and is made 100% leather. 100% leather is typical. This is the typical carriole right here, and then they're making some belts. They're making these ones squares. They're making also shoes out of the leather, the same leather they use for the carriole. And the carriole has been here like 50 years ago, and it's still in fashion. So it's something that 50 years ago has been made and is still very good and well known for the tourists, for the people from outside, from Colombia. They love it because what I know, it has like 12 bags, so they can open it and put a lot of things inside, and they love it. And they love the designs too, the colors.